any country. It helps you to move your knowledge, grammar, vocabulary, and
It is enhancing. It is enhancing vocabulary. Vocabulary means wording power, usage, okay, grammar knowledge. And if you are very strong, if you are very sound in grammar, usage, vocabulary, so definitely you can speak up. But we are lacking that due to we can't. हमको ये लग रहा है, we are thinking if grammatical anything wrong, if I say that it's a tense is wrong, then ये जो हेजिटेशन है ये हमको सब पूरा कंप्लीट खत्म करता है. इज इट क्लियर?
what is the role of English spoken in student life?
English is very important in student life because in the world many schools are in English language, many schools are in English medium, and if any student is finding job, so he knows English very well. In most of countries English is spoken very English is spoken.
Also, and if you will a medical student, engineering student, so you must to have to English knowledge also.
You have to give your view, and after that you will ask the question, and she will give answer both. First, give your what is the importance of spoken English in a student's life.
What is the spoken English in your life? Role of English in my life is very important, and this is very important to me and to my life.
It is because South Indian people have different language like Tamil, Telugu, etc. So they people did not know Hindi well. They well English. They speak English well. So if we go in South India for finding job, so we must know English and the talk in English. Why is English important in foreign countries for finding jobs?
Because they will not understand me.
चलोगे. My question is how it will be helpful. Suppose after passing class 12th in IIT and NEET, or you are going for any competition, how it will be useful? Please give your view.
Sure, sir. It is very useful because if we go at colleges, so there people will always talk in English. So we can communicate with those people in English. And if we don't use English language, so they will bully us maybe. Maybe they will bully us because it is very necessary. They will say that they are coming from a village, so they will not English, and they like that they will bully us. So it is very necessary to compete with us.
English is the language which is commonly used as the medium of instruction, medical colleges and all engineering colleges. One country cannot survive alone if people we don't know English. Principal, respected teachers and my dear friends. Good morning. I am Yakshi Patidar, the student of 8th standard. Standing here to say a few words on the role or importance of spoken English. Friends, you will really be surprised to hear that India is such a country of the world where maximum number of people speak English. It is a language which is very popular and easy to speak and learn. Thank you.
Yes. Yes, they will say absolutely correct. And this language is also a global language. If we go abroad, so we can communicate with the people in English because their country's language are another and our country's language are another. But English is the global language. We will communicate with the people. And in the student's life, it is very necessary because all the books are written in English. If we want to know English, so then it is very easy to understand the bookish language. Thank you.
English is spoken in student life.
English is very necessary to learn, speak, understand. All many people are understand. Therefore, we should learn English spoken to build our career.
Now, if you want to ask any cross question,
Any question to them?
you can ask.
Any question to them?
No?
No? Okay.
1 marks, Santoshi.
Thank you. Principal sir, respected teachers and all my dear students. I am Santoshi Bangla from class 7. Written here to say for motion. English is very necessary for the following reason. It is a global language and millions of people to understand and spoken. It is very easy to learn and speak. Thank you. Principal sir, respected teachers and all my dear students. I am Santoshi Bangla from class 7. Written here to say for motion. English is very necessary for the following reason. It is a global language and millions of people to understand and spoken. It is very easy to learn and speak. Thank you.
Cross question to you. How it is if we will speak English very fluently? If we will speak English fluently, then how it will be useful in our school?
Just a minute, sir. So sir, if we will use very fluently English in the school, so all the students will see us and they will respect us also and they will inspire from us to speak English.
What is your opinion? It will be speak all in English here. So how it will be fruitful and useful in our school? If all the students, all the kids will speak English, okay, in school atmosphere, in buses, all the things. So how